Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. Jharkhand women's vote redefines political landscape. With 70.04% turnout versus men's 65.06%, Jharkhand's women voters yet again displayed their decisive electoral power in the 2024 assembly elections. A strategic 5,51,797 more women cast their votes, maintaining a 5% participation edge. Leaders from both India and NDA alliances are now vying for this demographics favor, with the ruling GMM crediting welfare programs like the Maya Saman Yojana for the surge. Meanwhile, the opposition blames rising crimes against women for the mobilization. Jharkhand's overall turnout broke previous records, but which party reaped benefits remains to be seen. As counting begins on November 23, the state awaits suspense as Jharkhand leaders await final verdict. Following November 13 and 20 polling days, Jharkhand is set to uncover its next government. Turnout exceeded 2019 numbers with 66.65% in phase 1 and 68% in phase 2. The electoral battle pits Chief Minister Hemant Soren's India alliance against Babulal Marandi's BJP-led NDA. Exit polls are divided, adding suspense. Jamtara's 77% turnout highlights the electorate's eagerness to shape their state. The focus now turns to the fate of Jharkhand's 81 assembly seats. Will Hemant Soren retain power, or will Marandi stage a comeback? The final results on November 23 will decide Jharkhand's political course. Close contest in West Signam assembly seats. West Signam's 5 assembly constituencies, including Chaibasa and Chakradharpur, await fierce vote counting. With Chaibasa Women's College hosting the tally, security measures are tight. JMM's Deepak Birwa faces BJP's Geeta Balmuchu in Chaibasa, while Manoharpur sees JMM's Jagat Manji competing against AJSU's Dinesh Chandra Boipai. In Jagannathpur, Congress Sonaram Singhu locks horns with BJP's Geeta Koda in a gripping rematch. Adding further excitement are triangular battles in Chakradharpur and Majgaon. As ballots are counted on November 23, the district braces for a political shift with significant implications for its future. BJP and India clash over governance national icons. The BJP-India political feud intensifies as BJP spokesperson Jairam Biplav criticizes Tejashwi Yadav for comments on former President APJ Abdul Kalam. Biplav highlighted BJP's honor for Kalam and accused India leaders of communal politics and minority appeasement. Allegations flew regarding India's neglect of actual welfare, while BJP emphasized its respect for matres like Brigadier Mohammad Usman. The sharp rhetoric underscores accelerating polarization ahead of possible Bihar elections. Voters now weigh ideological clashes and governance prioritizes while assessing which alliance reflects their aspirations. Nitish unveils rural Bihar connectivity revolution. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar announced infrastructure projects worth rupees 8,837.77 crore focused on boosting rural connectivity. These include constructing and maintaining over 6,000 roads and bridges, improving access to essential services and markets. Highlighted initiatives are the Mukhyamantri Gramin Sampark Yojana and Mukhyamantri Gramin Path Anurakshan Program. Kumar stressed timely, quality execution and directed officials to ensure long-term maintenance. These measures aim to bolster mobility, enhance livelihoods, and catalyze economic growth across Bihar's villages, reaffirming Kumar's commitment to development.